Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup contacts from Gmail to a cloud spreadsheet step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Gmail. Log into your Gmail account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Google Apps icon in the upper right corner. Click on the Google Apps icon to open the menu. From the menu, select Contacts. In the Contacts interface, look for the Export option on the left sidebar. Click on Export to open the export options. Choose the contact group you want to backup. If you want to backup all contacts, select All Contacts. Select the format for exporting your contacts, choose Google CSV. Click the Export button to download your contacts file. Now, open Google Sheets in a new tab or window. If you're not already signed in, log in with the same Gmail account. Once in Google Sheets, click on Blank to create a new spreadsheet. In the new spreadsheet, go to File in the top menu. Hover over Import and click on it. In the Import menu, select the Upload tab. Drag your downloaded CSV file into the designated area or select a file from your device to browse. Once the file is uploaded, select Replace Spreadsheet in the Import options. Click on Import Data to complete the process. Now you will see all your contacts appear in the Google Sheets document. Review the data to ensure it has been imported correctly. You can now rename the spreadsheet by clicking on the title in the upper left corner. Finally, your contacts are successfully backed up to a cloud spreadsheet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.